I'm a newest listing in the sought-after gated community in Carillon Lakes. And if you aren't familiar with this particular community, you are in for a treat.
There's several lakes, fishing piers, sidewalks throughout, and loads of amenities that include a junior Olympic-sized pool and hot tub, tennis courts, a full state-of-the-art fitness gym, and more.
There's something for everyone here. I just listed this beautiful 2,100 square foot home. In a moment, we're going to take a tour. Wait until you see the backyard area. It's a 24-foot pavered oasis, perfect for family entertainment with no rear neighbors. So let's go take a look. This particular home, located at 3343 Songbird Lane, is the very best value in Carillon Lakes and priced to sell at $360,000. You'll find all the details and you can schedule your private showing. You'll find my contact information in the description or wherever you're watching this. I'm Lisa Kelly, Lakeland Homes and Lifestyles with Premier Realty, and welcome home.